Hey there, sports fans from around the world. If you're new to fantasy football, today's your lucky day, as we're diving into the exciting world of becoming a football fantasy manager. In this first session, we are going to get all warmed up on how fantasy football works. I'm Coach Keith, and whether you're a seasoned fantasy pro footballer or new, stick around for our upcoming video sessions to uncover winning strategies with expert advice and tips that will take your NFL fantasy football game to the next level. This virtual ball game allows you to be a participant, acting as general manager of your own football team, selecting real-life players to create your own roster. Now let's dive into the first session with how fantasy football works. Throughout the football season, participants compete against each other based on the statistical performance of their chosen players in actual NFL games. The concept of fantasy football is simple yet engaging. Participants draft a team of players from various NFL teams, each with a specific position such as quarterback, running back, wide receiver, and tight end. They then set their lineup each week, deciding which players to start based on factors such as matchups, injuries, and bye weeks. As the NFL games unfold, participants earn points based on their players' performance, with touchdowns, yards gained, and other statistics contributing to their overall score. One of the most appealing aspects of fantasy football is the sense of competition and camaraderie it fosters among friends, family, and coworkers. Leagues can be formed with a group of people who then compete against each other throughout the season. Trash talking, friendly banter, and strategic trades are all part of the fun and excitement of fantasy football. Whether you are a die-hard football fan or someone looking to add a new dimension to your sports fandom, fantasy football offers a unique and engaging way to follow the NFL season. It allows participants to feel more connected to the games, players, and outcomes, making every touchdown and yard gained even more meaningful. So, gather your friends, set up a league, and get ready for a season of fantasy football fun. Subscribe, like, and share now to gain access to upcoming sessions, where we will be teaching you rules and scoring, understanding player positions and their roles, introduction to key player statistics, points, yards, and touchdowns, using statistics to make informed draft decisions, and much more. So don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share now.